One after the other, their boots touched the ground at Wilson Airport. The ordeal was over. These are the survivors of the terror attack at the Kenya Defence Forces camp at Al-Ade in Somalia, soldiers who managed to get away from the Al-Shabaab attackers who seized not just their camp, but the neighboring Somalian National Army camp.
These heroes do not bear physical injuries, but are extremely exhausted and tired by the ordeal that they went through.
4 of their colleagues who were injured in the attack had been airlifted to Nairobi Sunday. Many more are still missing. Their exact number has not been established. According to the Defense Secretary Rachel Omamo, the attack was on a company-sized force whose number is estimated at 120 soldiers.
Search, rescue and recovery operations are ongoing in the operational areas.
The operation has been on for the last 64 hours, involving both air and ground operations. The mission is not only to capture the terrorists, but to also rescue those who may have been taken, with fears rife that they could be used as human shields by the terrorists.
This is a delicate operation, and we will not allow any further casualties.
The first batch of bodies of the fallen soldiers was expected Monday evening, their arrival bringing home the grim reality of the aftermath of the Friday attack. Esther Kahumbi Makori, Monday Special.